Hey you guys, my name is Donna and I'm gonna tell you how I cook brown stew fish. Okay, so these are the fish. They are red snapper. I cut them in three because they're too big to steam, so I rather fry them, brown stew them. Okay, so I get my seasoning, which is scallion, thyme, tomato, garlic, onion, and sweet pepper. Okay, so after I clean the fish up, I dry them and season them with a little salt, Maggi fish seasoning, there you go, and a little black pepper. I put them aside, cover them up, let them soak with the seasoning for a while. Then I cut up my seasoning and I get the pot ready. The pot have to be boiling hot with the oil. I put enough oil in the pot to kind of halfway frying the fish, not to cover, not deep fry, but you could deep fry them also. But I put enough oil in the pot so you could get them fried nice. I put some garlic in and let them fry. They fry till they get very dark. I love my fish fry very dark. So you don't have to do it that way, but I love it like that. So after the fish is frying, I get another pot, put some coconut milk in with a little water and some pimento seed and let it boil for a little bit. I also put some fish seasoning there. Then after I boil, I put all my seasoning, which is my thyme, some carrot, tomato, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, and let them boil down and give it that nice pretty color. And then you apply your fish. Once you apply the fish, let it sit there for a couple minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes, and then you could turn the stove off, and that's it. You got your brown stew fish right there. That's how I do my brown stew fish. It's delicious. So you could try it like that, and it would give you that nice taste to it.